Plot twist, the best part of Burlington is not the part on the postcard. Let me show you. Burlington actually lives up to the hype. If you want to experience Vermont without draining your bank account, this city is surprisingly doable. People mention that while the lakeside vibe feels upscale, you can eat incredibly well on a budget if you know where to look. Travelers suggest skipping the sit-down bistros and instead hitting up local food trucks or grabbing a massive, fresh sandwich from a deli for around $12. You could easily spend several days exploring the waterfront and downtown without needing a massive travel fund. To get your bearings without paying for an expensive private guide, travelers highly recommend the smartphone-guided walking tour of Burlington. It costs about $27.50, which is a steal because it lets you navigate historical landmarks and the best local spots at your own pace. If you are traveling with a group and want something more interactive, people say the Burlington Bash Scavenger Hunt is a blast for $22 per person. It turns the city into a giant game, making sightseeing feel much less like a standard tourist trek. When it comes to timing, visitors suggest visiting during the late spring or early autumn when the weather is crisp but not freezing. Summer is beautiful, but reviewers note that the lakeside crowds can get pretty intense, which might push up your costs for accommodation. For safety, travelers recommend being mindful of your surroundings at night, specifically avoiding poorly lit or isolated areas near the water once it gets dark. Most people find the city feels very safe and walkable, provided you use common sense. The bottom line is that Burlington is perfect for a budget-friendly getaway if you focus on the local food scene and self-guided exploration of the waterfront. It is all about that slow, lakeside lifestyle that does not require a luxury price tag. Now you've seen my honest take on Burlington. If you want to actually go, head to AccessTravel.com, the link is in the description, in the comments, and in my bio.